Hi guys, welcome back to tvOS in Training, Swift 5 Fundamentals for Beginners. This is part 8, which is on dictionaries, so let's dive in and have a look. So dictionaries are basically used to order like lists of values of the same type. So basically, if you look here, I've created an empty dictionary with an integer here and a string here. And basically with a dictionary, you have like a key and value. It's key on this side and value on this side. So this dictionary, for example, would be ordered with number keys and strings on this side. So you could have like, for example, inches could be like the actual numbers, like numbers between 1 and 10, for example, and the string could be the string name, so like the written name of that value. So 1 on this side, the number 1 on this side, and then ONE is the string on that side. So for example, I put some examples in this dictionary here. So we've got key on the left and value on the right, and that's always the case. Each key in a dictionary needs to be unique. So if I try to put in key and value again, I'll show you what happens. Let's just copy and paste that there. And run that again. And there, so it's giving me an error there because basically I've tried to put a duplicate of duplicate keys. So this is this error here, fatal error, dictionary list of complete duplicate keys. So for any key value pair you want to put in the dictionary, you have to make sure that the key is always unique. You can, however, have duplicate values, but as long as they've got unique keys attached to them, it'd be fine. So if you run that again, that should be fine again. So in this instance of this dictionary, which is a variable, this means I can add additional key value pairs. So for example here, I will update the value Tuesday for day of the week. So you can see that day of the week isn't actually part of the dictionary, but I will apply it anyway. And it says nil because there wasn't a current value there already. So now the example dictionary contains this key value pair, but it's saying nil because there was nothing there before. However, if I modify an existing key, so using the same sort of method again, I will modify, rather than fruit have orange, we'll have banana for fruit, and I'll press that there. And it will say orange there because that was the previous key for the value. So that's now been updated, so it's no longer orange, it's now gone to banana. So you can basically print out the key of any value that you want to do that. So basically this will give me the key is here, and this will give me the value. So if I press this now, that should come up with banana, so that's banana there. And if I look at food here, I can see food is burger, so let's run that again. So that's come through as burger, and then I can also print that out, so print the line, which comes out down there. So basically I can reference any key and it'll print out the value, and this is very good for like storing things like JSON responses you might get from APIs. If you want to store some information about a user, you could create a dictionary of all their aspects. So you could have like their age as a key, you could have their gender, so all that kind of stuff can be stored in a dictionary. So it's good just ordering a list, but a bit more ordering than say an array or a set because you've got that key as well as the value. And this bit here is basically just iterating through the dictionary. So this for bit here, so for creates like a for loop, and this basically calls the action for every key and value in the dictionary. It will print the key and value in the dictionary. So if I run this here, you can see it's been run 5 times, and then down here you can see as we've got there. So the key values. This is all part of the dictionary. We just printed out there line by line. So key value. Fruit, banana. So fruit was orange there. We manipulated it to become a banana there. So now it's become a banana. Animal, dog. Food, burger. And then day of the week, Tuesday, which is what we added when we added the key to the dictionary there. So yeah, dictionary is extremely useful, and we'll be using them a lot in the lessons to come. All right, that concludes on dictionary. So our next will be on control flow. See you then. Bye.